Good day. Anywhere you are watching, this is our calendar. We have stated the derivative of inverse function, in which I gave you one example of this. We want to solve more examples of this. If y equal this, find the x dy. And don't forget that the y dx is what we are known for, but this one we have to find the x dy. You can see that this was inverse derivative. Now, what can we do? Look at this. That's why indices is very important. You have to turn this one so that it can be easily differentiated. Look at me. Y will now be equal to x raised power 1/3 because it's 3. For instance, let's say when you have this, to turn this one will be x raised power 2 because nothing is there. If nothing is there, the thing is 2 automatically. This one we have x raised power, because 4 is there, 1/4. This one will be x raised power 1/5. That's basically why we call this, because we have 3 here. Then we try to differentiate this. The y dx, the y dx. We use this power here, which is 1/3 multiplied by this x. This power 1/3 minus 1. The LCM, find the LCM of this. The LCM of this, you find it. So to find the LCM of that now, you have 1/3 minus 1. But to make it easier, divide by 1, because 1 divided by 1 will still give you the same value. How many 3 here? 1. 1 times 1, 1. How many 1 can we find there? 3. 3 times minus 1, that will give you minus 3. And when you do it, you add 1 minus 3 give you minus 2/3. What that means that this one, the y dx here, the y dx will now be equal to 1/3 times x raised power minus 2/3. Then I want to in the indices. If you want to remove negative, you introduce 1/30. This means 1/3 multiplied by 1/1, that will give us x raised power 2/3. We have removed this negative, that's why. Then you can still turn this one to something, x raised power 2/3. Anything you have in denominator here will be in this place. That's 3. This place will be here, and everything will be square. That's what this one means, which means you can write it like that: 1/3 times 1/3x squared. Now you can see that our y is √3x. Now we have it to be 1/3 times 1/. Instead of this, we write y, which is y squared, which means our answer is 1/3 y squared. Now this is our dy dx, but our dx dy will now be equal to inverse of this, which means 1 over 3 y squared. Our dx dy will be equal to, look at me, you know this one is 1, that's 1 over 1 divided by 1 over 3 y raised by 2, which means our dx dy will now be equal to 1 over 1 times this one will go up because this is division sign here. This one will go as 3 y squared, which means our dx dy will now be equal to 3y squared. So that is one step. Another step is just direct. What will you do? You can see now that we want to make x the subject of the formula. We want to make x here the subject of the formula, which means you have x raised by 1 over 3, x raised by 1 over 3 equal to y. If you are following me, there's one rule that what you need to make this one x is going to be raise this one to inverse of this, we give this. Inverse of 1 over 3 is 3. So which means inverse of this, we count it, which means we have 1 over 3 times 3 over 1. You can see. So now, just this one also, you also have this one will now be 3 over 1, which means inverse of this will be times 3 over 1. You know, 3 we count 3. So our x now will now be x raised to power y raised to power 3. So that is it. We have been able to make the x the subject of the formula. We are able to make the x subject, which is this. Now the x dy will now be equal to 3y squared. So that's another method. Thanks for watching. Always like and follow me and share me.